become future stars. Chapter 10. Rocks and Minerals. Our Earth is made up of rocks and soil. Deep beneath the surface of the Earth, everything is compound of rock. Rocks are made up of substances known as minerals. Minerals are the building blocks of rocks. Each rock contains one or more minerals. Types of rocks. Rocks can be divided into three groups. They have been grouped depending on their process of formation. These are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks, fire rocks. The word igneous means made from fire or heat. Igneous rocks are formed from cooled magma. Sometimes, it cools on the surface of the earth to form rocks such as basalt and pumice. Other times, magma is cooled underground to create rocks called granite. Types of igneous rocks. 1. Granite. Granite is a volcanic rock that is harder under the ground. It is made up of quartz, feldspar, and several types of mica. Granite is found in various colors such as red, pink, yellow, or brown colors. Granite is the most common igneous rock on the Earth's surface. 2. Basalt. Basalt rocks are formed when lava cools on the surface of the Earth. It is dense, dark, and has fine grains. Brainy-bites. Igneous rocks form 95% of the Earth's crust. 3. Pumice. Pumice is another light-colored rock formed by lava cooling quickly on the Earth's surface. It has a sponge-like structure because it is formed from foamy lava. It is a type of stone that can float on water. Dentists use powdered pumice for polishing teeth. It is also used as a scrubber to remove rough skin from the body. Sedimentary rocks, layered rocks. All rocks on the Earth's surface break down into small pieces. These small pieces are called sediments. Sediments are moved and deposited at one place by running water, wind, waves, and gravity. They get deposited in layers at the bottom of lakes and oceans. Layers of sediments cement together to form sedimentary rocks. Pressure of upper layers changes sediments into sedimentary rocks. Types of sedimentary rocks. 1. Sandstone. Sandstone is made from grains of sand which have been naturally cemented together. It is of many colors. The color of sandstone depends on the color of depositing sand. It contains grains of the mineral quartz, which gives it pink or reddish color. The famous Red Fort and Qutub Minar in Delhi are made of red sandstone. 2. Conglomerate. Conglomerate is formed when gravel, pebbles, and stones get cemented together by minerals. It is uneven and coarse texture. 3. Shale. Shale is formed by the deposition of clay and mud particles. It is a soft rock. It is mainly used to make bricks and tiles. 4. Limestone. This sedimentary rock is different from other types as it is not formed by deposits of mud and sand. Limestone is made up of a mineral, calcite, which is present in the shells of sea animals. When they die, the shells stick to the bottom of the sea and form layers. It is used for making cement and bricks. Chalk is also one form of limestone. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks which have undergone change in their physical and chemical composition due to heat and pressure. Types of metamorphic rocks. 1. Slate. It is formed from shale by the action of heat and pressure. It is very fine-grained and splits easily into thin sheets. It is very useful for roofing, making pavements, and blackboards. 2. Marble. It is formed from limestone. Under heat and pressure, the fine crystals of limestone change to larger crystals. Marble is usually white except in cases when it contains mineral impurities. Then it may show colored veins, bands and other patterns. 3. Gneiss. It is usually formed from granite. It is a rock with a coarse texture and has parallel streaks and bands of minerals. It often glitters due to the presence of mica. It is used in construction. 4. Quartzite. It is formed from sandstone that has undergone continuous action of heat and pressure. It is very hard and thus weather resistant. It is used in the glass and cement industry. Brainy bytes. Quartz is used to manufacture radio and television, radar, microphones and hearing aids. Fossils. Fossils are remains of dead plants or animals that were buried millions of years ago and hardened with the passage of time within the earth layers. Fossils are found mostly in sedimentary rocks. Fossils help scientists discover the various forms of life that existed in the prehistoric period or era. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are formed from the rotted or decayed remains of dead plants and animals that lived millions of years ago and got buried under the Earth's crust. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are fossil fuels. They are found under the Earth's crust. Fuel is any material that is burned to obtain energy. The energy released from fuel is in the form of heat and light. Petroleum. When plants and animals living in the sea died, their bodies sunk to the bottom. Questions: more and more sediments collected on the top of them. These dead plants and animals were squeezed under pressure and slowly changed into petroleum over millions of years. Coal and petroleum are used as fuels and also for making chemicals, cosmetics, fertilizers, plastic and other products. Minerals. Minerals are chemical substances that occur naturally in the nature. They form due to natural processes within the earth. Rocks are formed of minerals. Many minerals that make up the rocks contain metals. These are called metallic minerals. The metals can be obtained from these rocks. Rocks containing metals that can be extracted are called ores. Gold, aluminium, copper, iron, etc. are extracted from their respective ores. Some minerals do not contain metals in them. They are called non-metallic minerals. Some minerals are in the form of crystals. They are hard and can be cut and polished into beautiful stones called gemstones. Rubies, diamonds, sapphires, and emeralds are gemstones used in making jewelry. Brainy bytes. Gold is so soft that you could roll an ounce of it into a hair-thin wire 50 miles long. Coal. Coal has a lot of carbon in it and it is mainly used as a fuel. Millions of years ago, land was low-lying and covered with thick, swampy forests. As plants died, they fell into the swamp. New vegetation pressed the dead plants to the bottom. Due to pressure and heat, the vegetable matter got changed into lignite, peat and finally into coal. Coal is used as a fuel for cooking, for producing electricity, for moving engines, in blast furnace, for heating homes and buildings. Chemicals made from coal are used in making drugs, nylon, fertilizers, and plastics. Need to conserve coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are valuable natural resources. However, they are limited in supply. If we keep using them as fast as we are doing today, they will not last very long. Also, burning so much of fuel releases harmful substances such as smoke and poisonous gases in the air, causing pollution, which can result in dangerous diseases. We can conserve these fossil fuels by using renewable sources of energy like the solar energy, water energy, and wind energy. These sources are unlimited and do not cause pollution on being used. Rapid review. Rocks are made up of substances known as minerals. The word igneous means made from fire or heat. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are fossil fuels. Minerals are chemical substances that occur in nature. Coal and petroleum are used as a fuel for making chemicals, cosmetics, fertilizers, plastic, and other things. Like, share, and subscribe.